Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Now, a question. Is it permissible to eat all parts of a halal animal? It is halal to eat the meat, heart, liver, rumen, intestines, cartilage, skin, muscles of a halal animal. And the haram parts of a halal animal are the urine and the excrement, reproductive organs, placenta, all glands, spinal cord, vagus nerves, gallbladder, spleen, eyeballs and blood. But the remaining blood in the halal slaughtered animal is halal if it becomes dissolved in the food. Some general notes. Dairy products and eggs are halal if their source is a halal animal. If the source of an egg is unknown, we can check its two poles. If they are unequal in shape as the egg of a chicken, then it is halal. However, if both poles are similar, the egg is haram. Some halal animals may become haram in certain cases. For example, if the halal animal suckled from a pig, ate feces of a human being, or drank wine until drunk, it becomes haram to eat. For more information, please refer to the Islamic laws book. The woman's milk is only halal for infants and it is haram for all others.